Hello, everyone. Good
Hello,
evening,
everyone.
good afternoon, or good morning, wherever you are. Welcome to our new session about coffee with Java. So I'm here with my friend Gabriel. Hello, Gabriel. How are you, man?
Well, hi, Max. Hi, guys. Today I'm very fine. Today I don't have problem with my health, and today I am very happy and I have a lot energy to give to this live. And I am very anxious because we have a little cold live, and maybe we have a problem, but or no,
Yeah,
it's normally.
yeah. Today, Gabriel will be the code pilot. So I will just watch it and maybe put my fingers and help him. So let me say hello to George. George, thanks for being here, man. And feel free to send us messages and tips and whatever what you want to say to us, okay? Because you are a good friend and it's so Java judge. So that's it. So today, we will do a little contribution. We will tackle an issue in our JNoSQL project. So yeah, today, today Gabriel is the new pilot. Yeah, we will
Good.
take, we will get an issue and we will try to solve it in a bad way. Okay. And also we could discuss during during the flow the best approach and maybe we could asking some question for Gabriel what we are doing and but also feel free to send us questions and we will try to clarify that those things. Okay. So Gabriel, you want to say something?
I have one thing. It's time to rock, and we start now. It's this amazing live today, and I will change here. Yeah, I will share my screen, and my friend Gabriel Mendes. It's
Oh,
have same name. Hi Gabriel, how are you doing, man? Where are you
yeah,
from?
yeah. You in the chat, please show us where are you from. Where so it will be interesting to see if we are reach out all the people around the world. It will be very interesting one. It's something that brings us energy to do this. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Let's go, guys.
Yeah,
I will
uh,
hide this.
yeah.
And the first step, we enter in the GitHub and enter the project Jakarta no SQL, right? And I will share this repository with them, and because it's a
Hold down. It's it's the it's not the Jakarta JNoSQL project, Gabriel. It's it's a repository that focus on the specification,
yes.
so but the repository that you need to access is the Eclipse dash JNoSQL, man.
All right, I will enter into this
Okay, yeah.
Eclipse
Eclipse
Eclipse slash
JNoSQL.
this.
Yeah, this is the one.
All
Yeah.
right, I called the wrong repository.
No worries. Well, actually, that there are two repositories. This is the implementation one. Okay, this is the implementation one. The first one is that you show up to us is the specification. So probably the most interfaces of the specification are there, not are here. And but it's good to see that because looks like there are the same issue on there as two. So maybe we
Yes.
could work in another session on that repository instead of to the implementation repository. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So
It's I see because have similar issues here. One example is this issue update Eclipse JNoSQL APA to Java 17, and it's a same issue here.
yeah, probably they are related to because JNoSQL needs to follow the specification, the Jakarta 10 specification, because Jakarta 10 specification intended to follow the latest long-term support of Java. So without that's the reason why we need to update those things to the latest version because in September, if I'm not wrong, Java 21 will be released and we need to be able to 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 move it to the new long-term support. So it's very important for this kind of specification. Okay, so let
Okay.
me say go ahead, Gabriel. Let me talk to the chat, okay?
All
So
right.
let me say hello to Enio. Enio, hello. It's amazing to see you here, man. So yeah,
Hi
we are
there.
watching and drinking coffee. Yeah, you are in good shape. You are doing the best thing. I drink a lot of coffee. So I need to hold on a little bit. So that's the reason why I'm drinking water today. Okay, it's so hot. It's hot down here in Brazil. You are in a summer season, if I'm not wrong. So
Yeah, and the finish is summer.
yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
but return to here. Um, we get this repository, and I send now in the clone correctly repository. And it is a repository we have issues. I speak correctly, Max?
issues,
Issues,
issues.
issues. and and here we have six issues, and I get the freeze because it's a good freeze issue history to
Issue,
start.
issue, issue.
Issue
Is yes.
and this issue have a great description. And these descriptions give step by step what do you want, what we want, need, make. I speak correctly? Yes, I no.
We want. It's well, basically, the owner of this issue, the man that created this one is Otavio Santana, am I right? And
Yes, and
he describes all of things that it needs to be done in order to cover this issue. So
sure.
yeah, so
Basically, we need update and POM, right? And the changer to POM to Java 17 because now this project is building in Java 11, right? Remove and GitHub Actions. Remove Java 11 and GitHub Actions and add GitHub 17 and add Java 7 Java 17 GitHub Action. Oh my gosh, today my English is so terrible.
nah, that's okay. Yeah, that's it. Because if we take a look at the repository, we will be able to realize that there are two GitHub actions that are responsible for CI process. So
Yes,
when we push up some codes or through PR for pull requests, so those codes will be you trigger the CI process, and if we take a look at the code, we will figure out that there are two ones already on there. So we probably will need to remove someone. You need to remove the related to
yes,
Java 11.
yes. I see more early, but I don't see these projects correctly. Corrected project, but I was see the project and I show for for them in the beginning live. And they have two versions in GitHub Actions. Have the version in Java 11 and Java 17. And if it's this project have both versions, we need delete only one. It's a Java 7, a Java 11, and maybe working, but we need to verify. Okay, and now we start solving this issue and go to the code now. At the first point, we uh, changed the verse in the POM XML, right? And we're going to here in the POM and
Have
verify
you
the
I okay. Have you cloned, fork the project,
yes. I make a
check out the
fork.
code in your local machine? Okay, great, great.
Yes, I make this. Um, and now we need to see the point. It's a build in Java 11. Yeah, and guys, we oh and Max, your name here.
Yeah, it's a Git
I
lane.
get you, man.
I think it's a Git lane plugin result running on in your IntelliJ. Okay,
Uh,
but why? Let me do a question to you. Okay, so because
okay.
we could help the audience to understand what you are doing right now. Okay, so why you need to change it? Why you need to change it? Could you explain it or not?
Yes. Now I will change the Java version to this project, and we need to change this appointment. We can verify the version. I am little lost here, but source target. Oh, it's better. I will build into this project and maybe I'm localized. Uh,
Yeah,
compile.
because this the Maven project, when we are using Maven for building projects, uh, Maven executes plugins during your build process lifecycle. So the plugin responsible for compile the Java codes is the Java compiler, the Maven compile plugin. Am I right?
Right.
And it's it's common to define properties depends of the some context. You need to define some properties for these plugins, and for Maven compiler compiler plugin is dedicate some kind of system property. So if you define some specific uh,
Version.
system property, you are add to bind to property of the plugin. So this property is related to the source configuration in a compiler plugin. You understand? Oh God!
Yes.
So that's the reason why we just need to change it to the new version. So you could do this.
And I want to verify one appointment here. Is project structure, and I have a moment. Um, change it to Java 17. Ta-ta, apply, close.
The IntelliJ will help you with that,
Yes.
but I always recommend to execute the Maven from the command line because uh, it will bring you the, the same scenario that the CI/CD will work it on. Because do you understand? Because
Yes. I
uh,
know.
I think it's the best way to make sure that everything is working fine. But it's my opinion. It's the easiest way to see that. I don't know
Oh, don't.
what kind of Java you are using in your local machine. Could you say that? Could you take a look on it? Because
Java.
yeah, because you
It's a Java 11.
uh, so that's the reason why you need to change it, because you just will be able to compile to Java 17 if you are using JDK 17. You understand me?
17.
Yeah.
Yes.
uh, Authorize it will be not possible. So,
I don't have SDK man here,
oh
and I use
really?
IntelliJ to. Yes, I don't install
Okay. So,
SDK man here.
uh, what kind of manager are you using to manage the Java installation in your local machine?
I download it in the web. I like don't have manager.
Oh, really? Okay. So, okay, got it. Yeah, because I used to use SDK man to manage
Yes,
the versions of the Java in my local machine. It's easier
yes.
because
I using SDK man in my company machine, but my personal machine I don't use SDK man.
yeah.
Hmm.
Well, looks like
But
everything's
here
good.
I use an IntelliJ interface and verify, right? And I use in Java 17 here and build it with Sussex. But if you see now, I changed the version here and I try building in Java 11 and don't work, right,
Yeah,
guys?
yeah. You see, it doesn't work because, of course,
Because
it's
it's a
Java
version
11.
that changed.
It's not a
But
Java 17.
maybe I put here Java 11 and try executing the a command working.
Yeah. Well, George also sent us a little tip, because once you are running IntelliJ in your machine, you could be think that, okay, if I run the terminal inside of IntelliJ will configure with Java 17, but it's not true. Actually, the Java 17 is running only on the by IntelliJ,
IntelliJ.
not on your
Yes.
command line.
No.
So thanks,
No.
George,
Yes.
for send this tip. Thanks.
Yes. And we can verify and it is now because I changed here, returned to Java 11 and working well, right? And build this project with Sussex. And my machine have a seven have installed Java 11 and I need to put in SDK man. Maybe after live I configure SDK man here because I make lives now and uh, it's impossible to use this. And
Okay.
we verify it's built with Sussex, right, guys? And uh, data upon and it is appointment and the update and upon with Java 17 it's working, right? And now it's at this point the first step it's a perfect. And now we verify the GitHub actions, okay?
Yeah.
And
One moment, Gabriel. Let's do a little thing, okay?
okay,
So, because one thing is to compile those things with Java 17. Another thing is to run the whole build process, running the tests, running the integration tests, and something like that, in order to make sure that everything works with Java 17. So I used to build everything before to make this task done, to make it completed. So I recommend you to execute through IntelliJ to execute, for example, the verify lifecycle, the verify goal, because verify goal will run everything, the whole process of the build.
verify
But
goal. I never
before to no no the final one, verify command. That's the command, because when you no no hold on.
Oh, and now we need the
stop,
wait.
stop it down here. Stop on the stop button, please.
Oh, this.
Yeah, it does it. Great. Yeah, because when you execute Java Maven MVN verify command, you will execute the whole phases, build phases until verify phase.
Yes,
Verify
verify
phase
all projects
yeah,
and trained.
it will verify process will execute. You will compile your code, you will run tests, you will package your code, but this command is will not doesn't install this package in your local Maven repository, because when you execute Maven install, for example, MVN install, we execute everything, but we also install the dependence, the Maven library in our local repository. So
Yes.
when we execute MVN verify, we execute the whole previous phases, but we don't install anything in our local machine. So it's a good thing. So I think we could do this. Well, guys, it's a good opportunity to understand how Maven works. It's a good opportunity to learn more about Maven, to learn about how those things work. Okay, but you could execute Maven install it. We've done the same project, but we need to understand that if you run mvn install, we will install our library in our local machine. Maybe it's not the thing that we want to do. You understand? So
Oh
it's
no.
it's not necessary. Okay,
Oh,
let me
and
see.
we have a question. The packages goes runs to verify go to?
It will build, but it doesn't install that thing. Let's do this. I think it will package, but it's not release that thing in our local repository. Okay,
All
if
right, I
we
will enter.
I will take a look on my machine, but I think it happens. Okay,
Okay, here it's working.
I'm saying that because when we are working in a multi-model project in a Maven, when we are execute the verify, maybe another model depends of another model. So when it happens, the model needs to be in a class path of the required model. Understand me? So when it happens, the jar needs to be created.
Oh, and the
So
first point and the unsupport file.
yeah, you need. Okay, so you need to see. Of course, you need to see right now. Um. Okay, you need to let's see. Uh, well, let's see the configuration of the RBO, your IntelliJ. Maybe it's using the Java 11 instead of to Java
No, no,
17.
I use in Java 17.
No, go back, please. Close this window. Click on click. Try to execute again the Maven Go, please.
Execute again,
Yeah,
verify.
yeah. But before, hold on, please. I think that you need. Okay, hold on. Let's see. I think you could execute from there, but before to execute it, click click with the right button in the verify verify one. Yeah, click the right button and click on the modify run configuration, just to make sure that it's executing with Java 17. Java options, Java 17. Okay. Okay. try to execute this one from here. Yeah. Oh, Java 17. Okay. Okay. Well, Java 17 requires sometimes requires models declarations. So maybe we need to add some setups in our build, in our pawn, in order to make sure that everything will works. Okay, I'm saying that because if you let me show a little thing. Okay,
Okay.
so we know that this project is built with Java 17 because there is a GitHub actions that is using Java 17. Go to the on your project explorer, open the workflow and open the Java 17 YAML, please. Scroll down. Let's see how those things are set up, are configured. Let hold down. Scroll down, please. No, no. What are you doing? Okay. Scroll down, please. Scroll down. Okay. Okay. Looks like everything should be work. Very interesting thing. Hold on to your console just to see the error messages.
Oh, you need to run again because it broken the test and
No, that's
I
okay. Let's see the error. Let's see the error.
dun 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 dun.
Okay. Uh, click on the test. Yeah. Oh, I think that I know what it is. Maybe we need to feature some plugin version.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because maybe let me see, guys. Hold on.
Oh, I see here, and we have a little point. This is broken,
No, no, but
and it's
it's not related to it. Let's see the maybe compile configuration plugin. Let's see. No, on a pawn, please, on a pawn. Let's see the
configuration. All right.
yeah. Scroll down. Try to find out the Maven compiler compile plugin declaration.
Point.
No, this is the property. I want to let's see the plugin
And then
declaration under the build under the plugins. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, it's very interesting thing. Why it's happening? Because if you pay attention, it's running under Java 17 on the GitHub Actions. You know what I mean?
sorry.
Um, it's a little strange because these projects are using a Java 17
17.
build in a GitHub Actions, and everything is work fine on there. If you will take a look on it, so why it's failing in your local machine? This is the question. why it's well.
What's the problem?
Well, I think let's do a little thing, okay? Because let's run before before this. Let's add another goal before verify goal. Type mvn clean and verify. Let's execute it. Understand me what I mean? So clean
Yeah.
and verify. Yes. What it will do? It will clean up everything already compiled, and we will try to recompile those things. Let's see. Hmm.
Yes, broken. S-
Unsupported
Uh,
class. Why it's happening?
Same error.
Let me try because looks like this Safari version is not a good one. Hold on. Let me see. Hold on, please.
Okay. I will start installing SDK man
We
here
got
in
we
my.
got we got another we got another. Uh, well, Georgia also suggests you to install SDK man to install JDK 17 in your machine, Gabriel. So let's do this, Gabriel. Let's just solve this problem right now. Oh, are you doing now? Okay, great, great.
I will installing SDK man
Yeah.
now.
Well, George also said that I don't trust on IntelliJ. Yeah, yeah. I'm. Uh, I used to execute those things on from my command line because on my shell because also I faced some problems with Eclipse on my time when I use Eclipse IDE. Sometimes I face those problems on Eclipse, so I start to stop to use the builder inside of the IntelliJ and run manually just to make sure that everything is work fine. So let's do this. In the meantime, it's not wrong. We got a similar problem in our Discord server. Hold on. Uh, let's see. I will share my screen also. I think
Okay.
we could share both ones. So okay, hold on. I will show my one. Okay,
I
great.
hide my.
And right here. Okay, no, later, please. Okay, if I go to the forum, we got a little problem, a little similar. I don't know if it is the best. This is one. Okay, and okay, looks like this is the version. Okay. Oh, this is another property that we could put on the pawn, but also we need to change the version of Surfy. You know, because it could be happens because sometimes Surfire doesn't recognize, cannot execute Java 17 build. Okay.
Okay.
Oh yes, yes, that's it. You're right. You're right, George. It's a very similar problem right here. So I think that you could set up your pawn with this configuration. Hold on, please. Okay. Okay, this is the one. So I think that we need to set up something very similar with that. Okay, okay, Gabriel.
Okay.
So
I could I install and SDK man here.
all right, everything is running. Let me change it to your window. No, are you already installed? I think so. I need you just need to set up use. So you could type SDK use Java and so on.
No, I need to install. I open here to install and
You
did it
you install
be?
already? Am I right? Oh no. Okay.
Yes, I finish.
Okay. That's
And
okay. No,
now
no.
I will start. I will start.
Okay. Go ahead. The SDK provides auto completion, I think, but that's okay. Good. Good. Okay. Let's keep it on. But let it running. Let it running on the background, and let's change the pawn configuration. Go to your IntelliJ.
One, go
Okay.
to a lavender run
Yeah.
to verify.
Yeah. So try to find out if there is the declaration of certified plugin down here. Could you figure out? Oh, certified plugin. Could you see? Certified plugin is defined right here. Did you see?
So
No, no. Go back to the properties again. Can you see under the version there is a property down here that's related to certified.
certified here.
Yeah, but yeah. So change ever change it to this version. Um, this is the version one is 3.0.0
P dot
0.0.
is
I don't know in English. Ethan. I don't know the name Ethan.
if in
I don't
this
know. No, no. It's oh god. I don't remember right now. Name of this character. Is the
what is
it's Ethan. Ethan.
slash
É o traço em inglês.
this
Yes. M7. M in uppercase. M and 7. Yes, this is the version. So I think that if you run right now, okay, it looks like everything is done. Okay. I
oops.
oops. Okay, so that's good. You already installed it, but I think that you need to restart your terminal inside of the IntelliJ. Yeah. Dash. Thanks. Thanks, George. Dash. It's
I
like,
say dash.
oh yeah, I'm sorry. Dash. Thanks, George. Thanks again. Thanks. You know, that's that's the reason why you need to have good friends that knows everything. No, okay. So no, but I think you need to check it out if Java is running in your terminal, please. Which version it is? Okay, good, good. MVN clean. Yeah.
Eh.
Okay, so
I know. Maybe it's here.
no, I think that's not the problem. Which version of Maven are you using right now in your local machine? No, MVN version.
Yes.
No, no, Dash version.
Okay.
363. Okay.
Mm,
I think it's an old one. Uh, I think that you could use SDK to install a new version. I think you could do the same. Okay.
the last version is at 3.63.
It is? Oh my God.
Or
Okay.
no, I verify here. I opened the Apache website. Oh no, it's a 3.9.
Yeah, it's a, but I don't know if that is the problem. I don't know if try to try to do perform the command mvn clean just like that. Just to see. Okay. Error executing. Okay, unable to load cache eating. Oh God. Okay, so it's a very strange error.
Yeah.
So type SDK install Maven.
Mm,
Try to install SDK Maven. A new Maven, please. No, SDK install Maven. Eh, Yeah, I oh yeah, MVN version. No dash man dash
ah, I forgot.
dash. I'm okay. Looks like it's running. So try to execute Maven clean. Oh, everything is working. Try again to execute the clean and verify command. Oh, George also send us another tip. Hold on. Try to install MVN from certificate. Yeah, it's using MVN from system. Maybe it's conflict with certificate. Yeah. It should be the problem. Thanks, George. Thanks again. You see, man, you are receiving support from the chat. It's amazing.
Yes, we have a lot of support in the chat. George help us
Yeah,
a lot.
yeah. If you and also we will answer the question from George that if verify go builds the package, so we will figure out this one in a few minutes. Oh, okay, guys. So maybe Gabriel, your machine could be face some problems with performance. Maybe your connection could be fail a little thing. So it's normal. Though it's expected. Okay,
Yes, yes. Like
but
I don't
in mean,
use I don't use a lot my personal machine.
yeah,
I return use it with with I return using this machine now with this lives.
yeah, but no worries. In meantime, we could talking about something another something. Okay, but
Okay.
if everything is running correctly as expected, I think that we could go ahead and solve the next step for to close this issue. Okay, so that is to remove the CI/CD related to Java 11. Java 11. Okay.
Okay, 1 second and
Yeah.
I verify one thing. This give me 1 second and Max.
Sure.
Uh,
What is the your debt?
I verify my Eclipse Foundation here.
Oh, okay.
One
And
second.
have
Uh,
you signed it? Have you signed the ECA agreement?
yes, I cities. Give me 1 second. GitHub. I get my user in GitHub. I don't remember.
You are you are developer and you don't remember your own GitHub user.
Yes.
Oh, go to your Git. Take a look on your Git configuration. Maybe you could figure out if you set up, of course, your user and your mail. Oh God.
Yes, I make this.
I think that I could realize it.
Oops. 1 second.
Okay. Okay. In meantime, everything is running, so it's time to discuss a little bit. So, guys, if you are watching this video, feel free to join us in So Java Discord server. So you will find out good friends down here down in there to help you to with Java stuff or maybe with software development um, concepts. So feel free to join us because we got a lot of initiatives on there. One of that is collab time. So we are running 3 times per week collab time. So you could join us on Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays to discuss, to share your knowledge and help each other about Java, about software development. So feel free to join us. Also, I will send you on the chat our meetup page. So we used to publish, promote those things in the Java initiatives on there. So if you are roll it in our account, you will be notified by those things. Okay, so
Okay. This is very good, guys. It's a good point to enter.
yeah, let me get the let me get the are you sending the chat? Okay, this is the meetup. Okay, so feel free to
To join.
join us. Also, I will send the link for our Discord, so you could be able to join us. So feel free to join us on Discord server also. Okay, and stay tuned because we are doing those things. Sometimes we bring Java reference people down here in our on our jug. The latest reference was Adam Bean, so you are able to figure out the session that he did with us talking about complexity and another to use the case case concept with Java, that is the keep it simple and stupid concept with Java. So it's very interesting. Okay,
I open here. I forgotten my password. I need to
okay.
change it.
Go back, please, and let me see because looks like you did assign the ECA agreement, man.
Yes.
Look, you need to do this. Without that, we will not able to to contribute with.
Where can activities this echo?
Okay, let me see. I
My
think
profile
click on look the look the right column. You see the status one. Could you see? Click
here.
on this one. Yeah, click on this one. The first one, please. Yes, click on there.
Yeah, this
Okay.
page.
So scroll down and you see that there is some question, a form down here that you need to assign. So there are some questions that you need to be able to that you need to answer. Okay.
Okay.
Also, let me bring a message from Georgia. Adam being, yes, so Java event was amazing. Yes, it is. Yes, it was because um, we should to try. We used to try bring good names. in from Java world. We bring we bought Adam Bien, we bought Alina Virenko talking about Graal VM. We bring some Java developer advocates like Billy Corando talking about Java features. So we used to bring those guys, and also if you want to speak on Soul Java, reach out to us in a Soul Java Discord, and we will try to arrange a book, a time to do this thing. Okay. So hold on, Gabriel. Let me see what you are doing. Hold on, please. Uh, let me give me a second
Okay.
because if you're not wrong, hold on, please. Okay. Stop it. That's it, and go back to the repository of the project, please. Let's do the whole process because it will help anyone to get started to contribute to this project. So the place that you can find out this information is the contribution guide. If you take a look on this, no, hold on. On the code, you will see the contributing dot adbc file. So click on this one, and if you scroll down, you will see a link. You see a section called Eclipse Contribution Agreement, Contribute Agreement, Agreement, and click on this link, please. You will reach out the contribution guide, and you could scroll down, please. Scroll down. It is the license, but continues to scroll down, please.
Yes.
Okay, scroll down.
You want the Zoom?
Yeah, it's a.
The
I
better.
know the one. I need to improve my vision, so I cannot improve it. So scroll down, please. Okay, click on this ECA contributor guide. I think it's the same.
This
Yes. Mm.
it's
Yeah.
the same
Yeah.
document.
Hold on, please. Uh, the same. The first sentence you can see. This is our reference copy of the terms of the Eclipse contributor agreement. To actually complete and submit the ECA, please go to the ECA form. Click on this link, please. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, scroll down again, please. Uh, give me zoom, please. Okay, so the first question is you need to select, I think is the purpose. Why are you contributing? Okay, so the question A, the contribution was created to hold part A. I think that you need to mark everything in order to
Yes,
make that thing works. Okay, but of course you need to read it if you want to to agree with that. So
I use an
yeah,
example.
yeah. Let me see. Some looks like someone sent a message on the chat, but my mouse is stopped to work. Oh God. Hold that. Okay. I don't know what's happening. Okay. So
Oh,
yeah,
it's
yeah, you're right,
I
George.
need
He needs to agree with everything. Okay,
oh
so
1 second. I did one thing here.
Yeah, and what you need to understand is you are a student, self-employed, so you could uh, offer some
Authors.
information. Yeah, I think you could type something like that. For example, I employed by Accenture, for example. I think that you could do this.
Is
Accenture
that
employee. I think that we could do that.
no, but it's a show and deploy. But I put here employee. It's this form. No,
Double E on the end. No, E, employee.
no employee. No, wait 1 second. I open my
it's
daddy
some,
here.
it's something very interesting because we are doing those things, guys, in order to improve our English communication. So it's used to see sometimes you see us stuck, and the best thing that we not shamed to show it that. Am I right?
Don't have Grammarly in
Yeah.
the
P
employ.
L P L no PLOUEE, elephant.
E.
No. After you, go.
Sorry, you
Oh,
can write in private chat. It's better.
oh my God,
Better.
this
Translator,
is the
English
word.
translator, employer.
Employee, employer is the company that employs you. No, typing in low case, guy. Say, are you crazy?
Save.
Oh, also, Georgie, help us again.
Oops.
Can you see? This is your password, okay?
Oh, yep.
Okay, great. I
Great.
think
Now
is everything
return to
okay.
agreement.
Yeah, I think
Leave.
it should be. It could be take a little time. I think so. Hold on, no, you already did it. Why are you doing this again?
Well, but
The problem
there's
is
a
you
person deployed.
refresh the page. You refresh it.
No, I refreshed the page
I
and
think I think that you need to provide more information. You need to provide
no.
your legal name.
Well, yes, I agree
Yeah,
now.
yeah.
I agree.
Sorry. I did a mistake. It was my fault. Continue to fill up.
My name, post
Okay.
address. It's my address.
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 Guys, send me a box because I like the gifts. Okay.
It's a good question. Jorge did. Does your password is employee too?
It's a great secret.
Oh, great.
Oh, guys, I write here.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. George also said some a little interesting information that even American guys use Grammarly, so we don't need to be shy about that anymore. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So that's it. This is a good opportunity to learn how to write our address in English.
But address don't change her. It's
Yeah, it looks like
uh,
that is a special format. I think so. You need to type the name of the street or avenue and type avenue. But that I think everything will works. Okay, don't worry.
yes.
Just send a message and everything will be fine. Oh, you did it, man! You got it. Oh, got it. Can you see? Yeah, did it. And also, you so was was saved. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. But
Oh,
let's
and
go back.
now where I find my Eka?
No, actually, if you take a look on the status, you will see that it is a green ball down here. And when you open a PR, a little check process will happen. What I mean? What I mean? Um, According to the mail that you are using your GitHub account, it will be verified with the ECA agreement. So I hope, I hope, Gabriel, that you are using the same email
Yes,
in
I
the
use
both
the
scenario.
email.
So that's it. So I think it will be able to the check verification will be able to verify the both mail and the recognize. Oh, Gabriel already signed the ECA, so everything is good. Is a good shape to receive to accept his contribution. So
Okay, and we make two steps, and the time is verify and running, and I think it finish now, and we can see it's a build success.
now, everything is working fine because you already execute everything. So let's go to the next step for the process. I think that it is to remove the CI/CD
Yes,
for Java 11. Am I
seven,
right?
11,
So
and
go to that and do this, man. Oh, okay, okay. Maybe we click on a cancel, please. First of all. Well, we need to. I think that it's a good time to commit our changes because everything is working. Am I right?
yes,
So I think that you could perform the commit right here. Just because we are did some a little change. That is, you change the version and you fix the pawn. So I think it's a good time to do this because you will not change anymore this file for this time. Okay,
okay.
so let's do this.
Comment
The,
out in here.
commit this, commit the pawn, the file that you change it. You know what I mean? No,
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 it's
no. Hold on, man. Hold on. You need we need to commit the change that you did.
oh,
Okay,
and the comment it is okay.
yeah, let's commit it by yourself. But before you do this, you need to make sure that one requirement is you need to sign off the commit. How do you do this? You need to put, if you do this through IntelliJ, you need to change every time that you need to commit it.
Yes.
What I mean, you need to click on the gear icon on the bottom of this window. That is the setup one. Hold on, no, the gear icon, the gear icon,
Ika.
icon. No.
I understand you.
Oh, okay, that's okay. You need to configure your comment message. So you need to scroll down as beside of text message.
Ah,
No, no,
uh,
below one. Man,
where?
that is the comment and push button. It is
Yes.
okay.
Yes.
On the right, On the right. You're right. Yes.
Here.
And you need to click on sign off on here. Yes. Yeah. It's another
Oh,
thing that you need to. It's another thing that you need to do. Okay. I don't know if you have you set up your GitHub confirmation in in your GitHub local GitHub. No, in your local Git. What I mean.
I need configuration because
Okay.
I don't have
Okay.
configuration.
Stop everything. Stop everything. Go to the terminal. No, no, no. Go to the terminal. No,
Yes.
it could be internal one.
And here.
Yeah, yeah. In, yeah,
Ah,
in the terminal. Okay. So type on here git config space dash global space. I think it's set if I'm not wrong. Hold on. Oh God,
oh,
my
and the
memory
German
doesn't
say
work.
things very very
Um,
very nice and therefore to create a branch.
yeah, it's another kind of thing that we need to do. It is create a branch, okay? But you could do that on your command line, Gabriel. Hold on, man. Why you? Okay,
I create
go
a
ahead,
branch.
go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. You're doing no. What do you?
Don't be
Okay,
data points. Don't have a good name.
no, man. What are you doing?
I create a new branch.
No, if you want to rename it, you need to do another comment, another command, man.
No, I can rename here.
Okay. Well, I used to do something like that. I used to, if I'm fixing something, I use the fix and blah blah blah. You do something like that. Oh, I need solving a little thing. You could type something like that. I solved the issue and the number of the issue. That's it. But it's a good thing. Doesn't matter because when you merge this one to the main branch, you don't need any more of this. You understand me?
Yes.
Okay, so the command is hold on, please. You need to type config global space user dot
User.
name dot
Yeah.
no dot font dot name in a and that you can type uh, your name, for example, Gabriel Silva, but you put in
And
a
user.
double quotes, please,
Double double.
double quotes in a quote. Yes, put Gabriel. Okay, enter. Oh, you need to put two dashes. Okay, and another command also is the same. Git, but you need to provide the email. So you need to change name to email and provide the mail that you are using in your GitHub.
Yeah.
Oh, it's good. You are doing a great live coding. Thanks, George. Thanks.
And another step.
Yeah, enter. No, no, that's it. Okay. No, no. Control C. Control C, and you did. If you want to make sure that everything is configured, you could execute another command to see it. Okay. So you could type git config global user get. I think it's get instead of to before to username. You could type get before username. Get.
User get
No, sorry. You could type dash dash get. No, no,
user
no,
dash
no,
dash
no. After global, you type dash dash get, and you pass the property space user mail and the
user.
user dot name, for example, and type and enter. You will see the name. If you type email, also you will see email, your email. Everything is configured, okay?
Okay,
So, um, in order to make sure that everything is that you are using the right branch, you could type git branch space dash v, enter. You are in a fix issue 347 branch. All right, everything is good. So right now you could commit through by your IntelliJ. So go again on the gear on the setup. Hold on, man. No, on a gear icon setup icon, man.
icon.
No, man. Beside of
Sorry.
command push button again.
Go
Yeah,
to push and enter
click on
here.
it. Yes, comment options, and type your name right here on the author. No, change
Author.
the name. Yes, change his name. No, if you type G, um, a combo box will be shown to you. Can you see? So
Yes.
I think you don't need to provide name right here. You just need to mark with sign off, because by default your Git will be used in your local machine, will realize and use your name. Okay, so
Okay.
let it empty, please. Let author empty. You don't need to provide it, and just to go there in the commit. Please click on the commit button.
But I can finish
Okay,
right
go ahead,
this.
go ahead. Update, okay. Java version 217, am I right? Feel free to put the same.
Java version. Então,
I think that you could do something like that.
like
Okay,
this is a perfect
yeah, it's a good one.
commit, right?
Yeah,
Continue.
White's failures.
I
No,
commit.
it's committed already. Yeah,
I commit.
okay. If you want to see if everything is good enough, that's the reason why I like to use prompt. I use the prompt. I put get status just to see if everything is running.
Okay.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah. George bring a good question. Why we didn't use semantic
Semantic
comment?
commit.
So let's fix it, okay? But let's do this on a command prompt, okay? On a shell. Let's do this on a shell on in a terminal. Let's do this in a terminal.
Okay, everything to
Okay.
terminal.
So you could type the command git, and you put commit, the command commit, and you need to add a specific option called amend. So you type dash dash no dash dash amend. I think your tab you will autocomplete. Okay, and what this command do? This command will be help you to fix the message. So you could put the message right here, but you need to type right here another option that is the message. So you type dash. So let's keep the sign off. So you put S, no, S, S, and put another option that is M. You are able to run just dash sm. You could do this. It works, but you also you could compress those things together. Okay,
Okay.
so under in a double quotes you rename the message, the commit message. So in double quotes you put sure, for example. You know what I mean? Yes.
So, sorry.
Sure.
Uh,
No, no, sure, no, sure. Sure. CHORE. Yes. Semicolon. Yeah. And space. I used to keep short and semicolon together. Okay. Space, and you put your message right here. What you did? You updated the Java version. Predated. Predated.
Populated. It's
Yeah.
correct?
It's correct. Java version. Java version 2.17, for example, in a pawn, for example, pawn. Okay, I
I
think
can
it's
press
good.
enter.
Yeah. I used to write something like that. I updated the pawn with, but that's okay. It's a good one. Everything we
I can press
understand is
enter.
that's okay. Press enter, please. Okay, looks like everything is good enough. So, if you want to see if there is something missing, you could type git space status, and then you can see if there is something missing or something is dirt in your repository. So type git space status just to make sure that everything is commit. Git space status. Everything is good enough. Okay, it's good enough. So right now you could delete your file, and when you delete the file, you also need to execute the same process: git, add changes, and commit that thing.
I can delete now.
Sure, go ahead. Great. Can you see
Yep.
the status are showing you that there is a change in your repository? So you need to commit it, but you will type on your in terminal. Let's do this. Let's do this on the terminal this time. Okay.
Okay.
The first thing that you need to do is to add everything that is was changed. So okay. So
Okay.
the command is git add. Git add. You also can do this on a commit message in the same command. You can do this as well. So when we add, I just pay attention with this command because this command is very interesting one, because everything any file that was changed in your repository that it was not ignored by dot ignored file, it will be added to your stage file, stage repository. Stage is a kind of stage that your repository it is that that you could get everything to commit to your real repository. I don't know if you understand what I said. but
Yes, I understand
I
more or less.
but what I need to do, to understand that you need to mark which file what you want to be part of your comment. Okay,
Okay,
so I think that you could do right now. Add you could use as how can I say
it's bad.
asterisk or dot. You could add the file manually right here. I used to put dot instead of two asterisk because it will works in the same way. It will get everything in your repository and put it there. So when you need to add one only file to commit it before commit it after, you I use git
This,
and put point to the file. But you can do this right here.
and I can copy this, right?
Yeah, and you but you remove the dot. Yes, you can do this.
And put this,
Yeah,
right?
it will have it will works as expected.
Works. If I press this, it's working.
Yeah, okay, yeah, it is.
Okay, I can press enter.
Go ahead.
Don't work.
Okay, let's see. Git add. Looks like it's already marked as deleted. Deleted. So I think that you can. No, 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 no! Don't do this, man. I think it's everything's in good shape. I think that you could also go to the comment. Let's see the George messages. It's
Oh,
nice to
it's a
learn
nice
Git.
learning Git
Yes.
CLI. It's a very powerful.
Yes, because there are many comments that you could learn that you can learn from Git. We could you could put the change on the staging area. You could create branches. You could rename the branch. You could delete index file. You could do many things with from terminal. I prefer to use terminal because as you saw before, we have need to go to GitHub options and mark to sign off option in order to make sure that okay, my comment was signed off. Yeah,
I like using this interface. I like how can I say it's a more user friendly.
okay, that's okay, but it's a good
Because
opportunity to learn it. Okay.
yes, I learned. I don't. I say now. I don't. How can I say? I don't have knowledge about all comments in Git, but I have it be like that. Uh, because I use it here
Yeah.
and all comments in the Git. But
Yeah.
for one example, to writing, have moments. I am not best person to write in the comments in Git comments because I don't have a
No,
lot
that's
of knowledge.
okay. It's good because it's interesting to see our conflict age conflict. It's very interesting to see, but that's okay. What George said in the chat is real. IntelliJ already put this change on the stage area, so you don't need to execute edge command anymore. So you
Yes.
just need to commit it. You just need to commit this file. Okay, so go ahead and do the way that you used to do. Okay, don't remember use semantic comments, please.
All
Semantic
right.
comments. So
And I
short,
forgot to the 17 comments. You can help me?
sure. You can learn for that. There is a site that you could figure out how those things work. But you also can use the short acronym because we are working a specific scenario.
What's the name this the website? I don't
Okay.
remember. It's
Type 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 is something like that.
Sim.
Um, um,
Or,
hold on. I will send you
oh, perfect.
private search.
No, you can send me here or WhatsApp.
Okay, I will send on WhatsApp. Hold on.
Perfect.
You send on WhatsApp. Where are you, man?
I'm here.
Oh, I find out. Hold on. Oh, my WhatsApp doesn't work. Okay, work. It's working. Okay, it is the site. It is the website.
1 second. Here.
Yeah, that also. Giorgio send another message. So we also can use the build one because the build one is related to the build, and you're right. So if you scroll down, and you will figure out how those things work. So you need to use a type, a specific semantic, so syntax. So the first thing that you need to do is to figure out what kind of the type of comment that you are using. Okay, so if you look the fourth item, you will see the types. So scroll up, please. Scroll up. So there is some information right here. Can you see? So when you
Yes.
use fix semicolon, you are doing a comment that is related to a fixing thing.
Sim.
Okay. When you are working on a comment that's related to a specific feature, a new feature one, you use the fit. If you are using um, if you are working with build stuff, for example, we did some changes related to the build project. Okay,
Okay.
so we use sure, but we could be used build one. You understand? So,
I know.
for example, right now we are working in a CI stuff. So you could put something like that, CI semicolon. You
Oh,
understand?
perfect.
Because why it's important? Because we could set up our CI process following the comment messages. So depending on the comment message, some actions will happen when we push up the code. So we could do this. It's not set up on this project, but we could do this for another kind of project. So that's the reason why it's interesting to realize how those things work. It's not.
Okay.
It's something that it depends on the projects. Most some projects uses this pattern, and you need to fit with this pattern when you want to contribute it. But on a project on a Jakarta EE, there is no rule about that. So you could just type the message and comment. By now, there is no rules. But once it comes true, everything will be required. You understand?
I
So
know.
by now, as good practice, you are trying to follow semantic comments. That's okay. That's the reason
Okay.
why we are doing this. Just to be clear, because we aren't we don't want to be someone that, oh, you are saying you need to do this, yeah, I will decrete the rule. No, there is no. It depends on the project. Am I right? It depends on the project that you are working on. All right. So let's commit this one. You deleted the Java's 11 GitHub actions, for example. Oh, GitHub action. I think action is in a singular one. Yes.
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 Okay, I can commit and
Figure
push.
figure out if the GitHub the commit option sign off is activated. No, no. Go to the commit again on a
Yeah.
on a setup.
Here?
Yeah. Okay. Sign off is activated. Okay. That's everything is okay. So I used to do those things on a terminal, but do those things in the way that you used to do. Feel free to. It's up to you, guys. Do what you want to do. Click on the comment and push it. It's something that you need to do yet. There's something missing to be done.
Mm, I don't missing. Maybe verify it's how things working.
No, no. What I mean is, according to the task that you are doing today, there is some
Yes,
tests that need to be completed before to
yes.
push up.
It's how things is completed.
Okay,
Based on the
that's
form,
okay.
remove it in the Java 11 and add the Java 17 GitHub actions, but have it and Java 17 here. I commit.
That's
Uh,
okay. So
after
so
I push.
so
Java
you
17 is
push up
here.
everything.
Yes, I will push. I don't push. I
Okay,
did push.
push everything. And George said the same thing. Maybe he did in a good way than I did. So yeah, it's not a rule. Use semantic commits, but it's a good practice. Yes, it is good because
I
when
push now.
really
Yes.
okay, go to
Where?
your repository.
I will go to my repository. Repository. JNoSQL, JNoSQL.
Actually, you are able to figure out from the whole from the main repository. You also can do this. No. It is another repository. It's another repository.
This. This is a repository.
No. Hold on, guys. Are you? It's a
Oh, sorry. Eclipse.
yeah. It's Eclipse one.
Where? Oh, sorry, man.
No worries.
I'm a little lost. I'm a little nervous. It's a code live. It's a
That's
very
okay. That's okay. I used to go to the address bar and type
oh
JNoSQL.
new profile. It's a better. Oops. Ah!
No, the second one, guy. Scroll down, please. All
They don't
right.
see.
JNoSQL, the first one, the first. Now, yes. Okay. Okay. So you got you are able to create a pull request. Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay. So I used to put a comment in down here uh, in order to let them knows that oh this fix is related to some issue. So I don't know if you know, but we also could when we commit something, we could use the message to to tell to the GitHub that when this commit will be committed or merged to the main branch, the issue will be closed automatically. I don't know if you understand what
Oh,
I.
and on George C, first check if the actions rules fine.
Yeah, but it's happen. It will happens when we create the pull request.
Oh,
When
okay.
we create the pull request,
You
the
verify this one.
the CI will run because uh, the GitHub Actions for this project is running under the main branch. It's not running on another kind of branch. Maybe
Yes.
it could be changed in order to help us to understand if everything is working fine before to create the pull request. But for now, uh, the the process of the verifications, the process are running once we open the PR. Once we open the PR, the verification will run.
Okay,
So
I can create now.
yeah, I think let give me Zoom, please, because your window is so
Sorry.
yeah. Fix some issue. It's strange information.
Yes.
Let's follow an sample, okay? So
Okay.
according to we could do something
Java.
like
Sorry.
you could he got a dog, he got a pet called Java.
And the Java is screen now.
Yeah. So type you are here, for example, create a session, for example, changes what you did. So we are able to use Markdown. So I used to put something with hashtag space changes in order to make the message more friendly for the people. Okay.
Rest tag.
No, I think that you could, yeah, no,
Java. Stop.
Gabriel.
Sorry.
Everything is good. Everything is good. Okay. Well, just to type a message like that, for example, its PR is fixing the bug, something like that. Oh, all points. Well, let's make it easier.
Yes.
This PR fix and you put and remove everything and the type dash hashtag and the number of the issue.
It's here. Uh,
No,
hashtag.
remove everything. Yes, it's a good one.
And
Select
this.
the issue that you are working on.
Yes.
It is the one.
Yes.
If you want to see what you did, click on the preview one, the preview perspective. Okay, that's okay. I think it's good enough. So you could create the pull request, type on it, the hit the button, this button. Yes, go ahead, please. Okay, okay. So some verification will happen. Can you see? So, but as this contribution, it is the first your first contribution in the
Yes.
repository.
My
Uh,
first contribution.
Container or the committer, some committer requires to accept your pull request. So that is nothing to do by now. You just need to waiting someone to approve it. I used to send a message to Otavio from our here because I know who it is, the maintainer of the project.
And
It's,
rise to Otavio here.
yes, type Otavio and send a message to him. For example, please review my PR, for example, and a
And
question mark. Yes, and send the messages. Yeah, I used to some. That's okay. So Otavio will be notified. I think he will be notified anyway in any kind of circumstance. But uh, it will bring you to the project. Okay, so once you want to contribute with some any kind of open source, it's very interesting to realize who is the maintainer or who is the committer of the projects, because you could talk to them to giving to asking help, so you can asking support. So that's the reason why it's a good way to do this. Well, when once you work with open source, there are a lot of things that we learn in the process. Today, what we learn, this is the key of the day. So we learned how to work with GitHub, Git. So you need to face problems with type commands. You configured your Git. You also fill out the ECHA form. So we
Yes.
need to do this. We use the semantic commits to be as a good practice. So it's another kind of way. You exercise the communication because you need to notify maintainers about the RPR. So you need to do this. So
Yeah.
there are a lot of things that you need to understand and learn through the process, and those things will help you in your career, because probably you will need to help contribute with another project. You need to talk to your teammates. You those skills will be hold in your career. So I think that it's a good shape. So I think it's done for today. Am I right, Gabriel?
You're right. It's a done today. Like we have the make a little contribution in the configuration echo to show how you can enter in the Eclipse Foundation. And I don't know, you send it, you share with guys a link to enter the Eclipse Foundation,
Yeah,
Max.
I think I well, only contribute on a project repository. You could the first thing that you need to do is to go to the contribution guide. Try to find out the contribution guide. If you let's go back, and if you go to the repository, open the repository, please.
1 second.
Also, you could Google those things, but uh, go to the main the main, yeah, okay, the main page. You see that there is a file where he's called contributing.
Oh,
Okay,
so sorry.
this is the contributing guide for Eclipse JNoSQL project. So there are some information right here that it will be useful to anyone that wants to contribute. And once you want to contribute with JNoSQL project, you need to assign the Eclipse contribution agreement. So if you scroll down, you see the link, and down here you will go to Eclipse Foundation site, and then on there you will be able to find out the form that you need to type, that you need to fill out in order to be able to contribute. And again, once you contribute, once you when you do the first contribution, your contribution will be need to be approved only the first time. When it's
Okay.
happened, when it's happened, every time that you send dive a PR, the whole verification process will happen. It depends of the project, guys. For this project, it's the thing that happens. Okay, but right now, what Gabriel needs to do? Nothing. He needs to waiting for approval. Once Otávio approve it, everything will run. The verification will happen. And if everything's in a good shape, Otavio will approve it. Probably you approve it, you merge. Or if something's missing, probably Otavio, you talk to Gabriel through messages as well. He will
Yes.
send, oh, Gabriel, change something like that, change something like this, something like that. So this is the whole process. Um, it's a common process runs like that, okay? But depends on the project, it could be changed a little bit. But that's the reason why you need to focus on the contribution guide and see how those things work. This is the way that JNoSQL works. Okay. So
Okay.
let's see the other message. Let's see. Okay. Oh, okay. George said it's right.
I believe
Otávio is
Otávio
sleeping now.
now.
Yeah. He is in Portugal. We are in Brazil. It's late today. It's late already down here in Brazil. And probably Otávio is sleeping. And tomorrow we got it. And in Friday we got news because in our next session will be the week review session. So we will be able to see if everything is working and if everything was accepted, it was merged, what's changed, what's happened, and probably we will bring some
Yes.
guests today in this session. I will talking to some guy. I will talking to someone that got experience with open source contribution and bring your questions in the next session. Am I right, Gabriel?
You're right, Max. You're totally right.
Okay,
And
so that's it today.
yes, we aim
Okay,
today.
hit here, please. Okay,
Uh,
that's it. We did a little one. So if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe this channel, to hit like as well, and
for us,
yeah, and to send this message, send it this video for anyone that you believe that it will help. Okay, that's it.
okay, that's it. And I see you guys in the next session. Don't lose this, okay?
Okay, send
Bye
you
bye.
guys. Bye bye.